The picture is clear. Biodiversity is in catastrophic decline. Nature is disappearing across the globe, with 1 million species facing extinction. The UK is a clear example of this worldwide trend. Not so long ago, wolf packs roamed free across this island. But now it is one of the most nature-depleted countries, with 1 in 6 species at risk of being lost. Scientists now know that the more species we lose at the top of the food chain, the more we undermine the planet's support systems that provide fresh water to drink, clean air to breathe, and maintain a comfortable climate. But look out of your window, and what do you see? Roads, cars, buildings, people. Certainly no wolves, and the remaining wildlife is a shadow of what it used to be. Nature Recovery, Restoration and Rewilding aims to reverse these trends. Where before conservation focused on protecting what little we have left, these ambitious approaches aim for positive outcomes for biodiversity, encouraging all of society to take responsibility for the recovery of nature. It is an optimistic outlook that imagines a world with complex ecosystems and where a diverse and abundant nature is on our doorstep. The MSc in Nature Recovery, Restoration and Rewilding at the University of Manchester represents a shift in the way nature conservation will be carried out in the future. A future filled with hope, where humans and nature can thrive together. Study today, change tomorrow.